Hello students. So now we are going to discuss about DAC interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. So D/A, that is what? Digital to analog converter. So in the previous video we discussed about ADC interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Here we are going to discuss about digital to analog converter. So what is meant by DAC? So DAC is nothing but as digital to analog converter. So why the DAC is used in 8051 microcontroller? So here the microcontroller are used in wide variety of applications like for measuring and control of physical quantity like temperature, pressure, speed, distance, etc. So these are all called as the physical quantities, right? So here in these systems the microcontroller generates output which is in the digital form, but this device will not accept the digital data. So here we are use DAC, that DAC converter which converts digital data into equivalent analog voltage. So this is the main reason why we are using DAC converter in 8051 microcontroller. So here, so the DAC is a device widely used to convert digital pulses to analog signals. So there are three different methods of creating a DAC. The one is binary weighted DAC and R2R ladder DAC. So this is the basic definition of DAC converter, and the two methods are binary weighted and R2R ladder. So here the vast majority of IC DAC, including the DAC 0808, which can be used in this section. So here in this DAC interfacing we are going to use the IC. The IC name is what? DAC 0808. So now we will discuss about what are the basic features of the IC DAC 0808. Okay, so the first criterion for judging the DAC is its resolution. Okay, that is very important. That resolution which depends upon the number of binary input. Okay, so basically the common inputs are 8, 10 and 12. So the number of data bit input which decides the resolution of the DAC. So that is very important. There are three different bits are available: 8 bit, 10 bit and then 12 bit. So here therefore we can using the 8 put input DAC. The 8 put input DAC, the IC name is called as DAC 0808, which it will provides the 256 discrete voltage levels of output. So similarly there is a 12 bit DAC, it will provides 4096 discrete voltage levels, and they are also 16 bit DAC, but the 16 bit DACs are more expensive. So in this section we are going to use an 8 put DAC. The 8 put DAC is called as DAC 0808, which it will provides 256 discrete voltage levels of output. So let us see the block diagram. So yes, this is the block diagram how the microcontroller is connected to DAC converter. Okay, so see the first block is 8051 microcontroller. Here we are using port 1 pins. The port 1 pins is what? Port 10 to port 17. That pins which are connected to D0 to D7. The D0 to D7 are called as the data lines. So and there is a second block is DAC converter, and read signal is there, write signal is there, and VEE. So this VEE is nothing but as voltage. So that VEE is mainly used for adjust the contrast, and here the compensation ground is there, and ground pin and negative reference voltage and positive reference voltage is plus 5 volt. The power supply is also plus 5 volt. So here the DAC having output pin, right? The output pin which is connected to the amplifier. Okay, so that amplifier is very important because that amplifier which it will convert the current to voltage. So it is called as current to voltage converter, and finally the V0 is nothing but as output voltage. So here the input is what? Digital. The DAC converter will convert the digital input into analog input. Finally the analog input in terms of voltages or current. In most cases it will produces the voltages. Okay, so this is the block diagram of DAC interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. So this output we can able to generate some different types of non-sinusoidal waveforms like square waveform, sawtooth waveform, ramp waveform, as well as staircase waveform. So these are the different types of waveform we are going to study in DAC converter. Okay, in the laboratory also we are doing the same experiment. Okay, and then we can see some different types of programs, how to generate the square waveform, ramp waveform, staircase waveform, etc. So that's all about DAC converter is interfacing with 8051 microcontroller. Thank you.